Hi friends, great morning and welcome to Daily Analysis. Friends, yesterday I told you that I was expecting a trending day because of the narrow CPR, right? And in fact, I told I was expecting more on the downside, but again, I told there's it's a probability, and anytime when we get a pattern, we may change the trend, right? And first thing what I told was the major support was previous day's low, right? And exactly you can see how beautifully the price action took a support there and started going up, right? And it went up and it went up all the way up to the CPR range. From there, it took a resistance and came down, right? And later part, again, it created a very good pattern for us, very good breakout for us, right? So this is a powerful breakout. If people who attended the weekly webinar would have understood, it was a powerful breakout. And exactly you can see it went up to the weekly pivot level, 64947 level, right? This is what one level which I told resistance on, right? I told the moment it break the previous day's high, there is a high probability it can go up to this level, and the next resistance was 6,514 level, right? This is what we discussed, and this is what exactly happened, right? Now let us do today's analysis. So before going in detail, I want to give you a disclaimer. These are my personal views and studies, so I don't guarantee you any success or profit from these trades. Make sure you do your own analysis and maintain proper risk-reward ratio. Friends, coming Thursday and Friday, we have scheduled two masterclasses. Thursday, we have price action secrets, and Friday, we have superpower trader. And both the webinars will start at sharp 7:30 p.m. and ends by 9:30 p.m. So I want all you to register for this masterclass. Both the masterclass is at free of course this time. So you can register for the masterclass and let us meet at the masterclass. The link to register for the masterclass is there in the description. So click on the link and register for the masterclass today itself. Friends, if you're watching first time my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, hit on the like button, comment in the comment box what are the more information you want from this daily analysis, and share this video with your other trading friends. Let us do today's analysis. Friends, you can clearly see that yesterday's daily candle, right? It is a powerful or bigger candle, and it's an engulfing candle kind of thing, right? If you see previous day, previous day's candle was small one, but yesterday it created a bigger candle, right? So probably that shows a small buying interest is actually happening, or buyers are dominating there. But I am not changing my view as of now. There can be still selling pressure. That's what I'm expecting, because since it has come all the way to till this level, the gap has to fill, right? Which I told 6,210 level, there is a gap that has to be filled, right? This doesn't, I am not changing any trend right now. I will be changing the trend only above this level if we get any good pattern, right? Above this big candle. Now, what in NYMEX crude it's showing, let us see. And one more thing we need to notice that yesterday's closing is above 20 EMA. And you can here also you can see the similar kind of pattern happened, or it came down all the way to till previous day's low. From the buyers took control and took all the way up to the this day before, 3 days back high, and from there was a small selling pressure, right? And it's exactly close near to 20 EMA, right? Just about 20 EMA, that's it. So again, it's not indicating any bigger trend changing. It's again it's showing me that if you enlarge it, you can see that still there is a selling pressure at this level, right? $79.09 or whatever. So we need to wait for good patterns, price action at each location, right? And this is the gap which I told I'm waiting for a filling of this gap. So let us see whether it's happening today or tomorrow. Now we will do daily 30 minutes candle analysis. First, NYMEX crude. Friends, NYMEX crude, it's a wide CPR starting from 77.94 to $78.49, which is a wide CPR indicating a sideways day, right? Now, what are the probabilities? Friends, one, you can see already when the price went near to the weekly pivot, there was a selling pressure, right? So maybe once again it can go up and somewhere near to previous day's high or near to this level. Again, it can come down and somewhere near to CPR it can settle, right? One times normally we have seen that price normally comes and touch CPR. So somewhere in between this to this range, it has to come down and settle sometime. And again, it can go back because it's a sideways, right? And we have a virgin CPR, which we on last Thursday, the price didn't touch CPR range. So normally 4 to 5 days, normally the virgin CPR can work. After that, the strength of the virgin CPR normally comes down, right? So you can see here virgin CPR, and we have a narrow virgin CPR in MCX, right? So overall, I am expecting a sideways. Now we will do our daily analysis of levels. Friends, one thing very clear here that yesterday when the price went to weekly pivot, there was a selling, and today opened with a small red candle, not indicating any direction. The CPR starts from 6,406 to 6,461. It's a wide CPR, right? Indicating a sideways day. Now, what are the probabilities? Let us see. Now, the price can come down, say, trade between the CPR range, and from there, maybe it can go up and once again go up to previous day's high, which was close to 6,497. There it can take a resistance. If it doesn't take a resistance, we have another one, 6,514 level, right, which is another resistance zone. And also we have a virgin CPR, which was happened on Thursday, right, which is around 6,542 level. So sometime the price can go up, and somewhere near to this level, it can take a resistance and come down, right? And above this, if we are getting, then we have a bigger target of 6,637, right? But seeing the CPR and yesterday's pattern, I don't think it can be a trending day. But again, it's a probability, right? Now, below CPR, immediately we have 6,383 support, right? And below that, this can act as a strong support, previous day's low, right? Near to this one, day before yesterday's low, 6,322 to 6,314 level, yesterday's low. This zone, anytime price comes to this zone, maybe there can be a buying pressure again. So if we are getting any breakdown from this CPR range, maybe first target we can keep somewhere near to the previous day's low. And next, below 6,315, we have 6,302 level, right? So this low, this entire zone we can mark 6,323 to 6,303 level. It can take a support anywhere, right? Below, if it breaking, then we have that important support of 6,209 level, which was the gap which created, that can fill. But again, seeing this CPR and other probabilities, other news, everything, I don't see any probability for a big trending day. But again, it's a market, it's a probability game, right? So accordingly, you need to take an action. So you see the price action at each location and accordingly do the trades. So that's all in this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading. Thank you.